This is a little busy slide. It's from the same paper and the same analysis, but certainly what we showed that it was the only factor in that series that, correlated with treatment failure was very high intracranial pressure at diagnosis. So for every centimeter of pressure on pre-treatment spinal tap, there was a 6% increase in treatment failure. And I think that says that there is a likelihood of patients that have very high intracranial pressure at presentation, they are more prone to this kind of global diffuse venous sinus stenosis, or more prone to having a structural problem of the venous sinuses that predisposes them to progressive stenosis. I was very surprised to see that the type of stenosis and the gradient across the stenosis was not correlating with the risk of treatment failure, but that is what our analysis has shown at that time.